Kasee bemu a wonye mfie dono enson wisdom wono no waye na adwuma wo wisdom gas refill station wo Katamanso wakpon Katamanso mensimo no woje ayareshe Waterma General Hospital ni nyina ye Kwasi ada no pa eja bia ehase wo filling station ho a Adom TV etwaso
Edum adwuma yeko etimi ekokoduru ewono mo ntemu a odum gya ne nya sade ankato yenchem kase pa ene besi ewo wisdom gas station ewo Katamanso wabra eja eto ho edum adwuma yeko no etwemu a ahomache be nonum abapa ho simaduonum enan ena obi eyi wo mo asotere se eja to wisdom gas station ewo pon Katamanso mensini no emu na wo ma wo mrantie ekoho no mo a Otimi kokodum ejane nenso enipa baako ena epraye. The Regional Fire Service Public Relations Officer ADO 111 Ebenezer Yenzu uchwemu a nima bi ena kekabo mu a ede ejeyi ebaye.
When we came, we realized that the fire was around where the discharge pump is and also close to the generator, where the generator room is. That place was also engulfed with fire. So we called for four other vehicles to come and assist those from Katamanso to attend to the situation. Currently, as we speak, the fire has been finally extinguished, and we had one casualty recorded, one male, about 27-year-old male, who is an attendant at the gas station, who got injured in the process because he was around when the fire started.
And which was akade to us say oni bia eni baby a wamo ye adwuma no adwuma wura ene be kire eda wo bebie enso obo manfo kokose wo se jato baby a empentem nkohonom enkonkwohwa de sanse ebetimi ede wo hawo abrawo.
We've had countless of situations where people die when they rush to a fire scene. We did our best to drive them as far as the other side of the road, but what we are advising is that when such situations happen, we should try as much as possible to ensure that we don't come close to the scene, because there could be a possible explosion. Should the tank have ruptured, all those around would have been in danger. So we plead with the general public that when there's any fire situation like that, don't rush to the scene.